Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Silvana.
And welcome to our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. And we're ready to have fun with Activity 8 from our free Grab and Go activity kits.
A special thanks to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library for sponsoring these free kits. And this week's theme is animals in our homes and neighborhoods.
That's right. Pets have been around since prehistoric times. They have been used for protection, companionship, and therapy. And it's believed that the dog was the first domesticated pet.
That's so sweet. I love dogs.
Me too.
Yeah. Other pets include cats, fish, rabbits, hamsters, and birds, just to name a few.
That's right. And for our activity this week, we're going to show you how to make your own bird feeder so you can feed birds in your neighborhood.
That's so cool. The supplies you will need this week from your kit are
glue,
twine,
20 craft sticks,
some bird seeds,
and optional watercolor paints. First, you're going to take your packet and turn to the very last page, page 22, with your instructions on how to make your bird feeder. All right, so first you're going to take 7 sticks and you're going to be gluing them together into a row like this. This will be the base. So you just take your glue, put a little bit on the edge and stick it like this. Set it down on the table, push them together and wait for them to dry, and do that until you've done it with all 7 sticks. Once it's dry, then you're ready to move on to the next piece. So you're going to take 3 more sticks and you'll glue one along the edge here, one along the edge here, and then one right in the middle sticking up. This is going to be where your bird is going to perch. Alright, so once we've got this part, make sure it dries, everything's dry before you move on to the next thing. Then you're ready to start building up the walls. So we're going to put a dot of glue on each of the 4 corners, and then you'll be placing your sticks on the glue like so. One there and one up here. Let that dry, and then you'll place glue on the 4 corners again, but this time you'll place your sticks on the opposite way. So you'll keep going back and forth like so until you've used up all your sticks. So it's going to look like this. You can see that it's created a little wall there. And then you're ready to use your twine to make so you can hang it from your tree. So you'll take one piece of twine and tie it to the front of one of your sides there. You'll make sure that you tie a double knot so that the string stays put. So you'll tie your first string to the front, one on each side, and then you'll tie the other one, so you've got it like this, and you'll tie the other one, the other string. See, I didn't tie it in a double knot, so it didn't stay. So make sure that you tie it in a double knot so it stays secure. And you'll do the same on this side, tie them in a double knot, and it's going to end up like this, and now it's ready to hang from your tree.
That is so cute, Miss Carly. And also, don't forget, you can color your sticks. You can use the watercolor paints, or you can use any crayons, markers, anything that you have at home. Just be creative with your bird feeder. And when we have it hang in the tree, we can use our bird seeds and just pour in a little bit at a time on your bird feeder. Make sure it is balanced, and it's all ready.
And then you're ready to watch those birds come and eat from your bird feeder.
That's so cool. And here's a bonus challenge, guys. Watch for birds that visit your bird feeder. Draw a picture or take a picture of them if you like.
Yeah, sounds like a lot of fun. Once you've completed your activity, take a photo of your project and email it to library@buckeyeaz.gov to earn 15 points towards your end of summer reading goal of 1,000 points so you can earn prizes. Or you can bring it into the library or bookmobile to earn 25 points.
Just for watching today's video, you get 20 points by entering the code above at maricopacountyreads.org.
That's right. And July is Parks and Rec Month, and the library would like to join in the celebration by offering bonus activities. This week, let's have fun at our local parks. What type of animals are in your local park?
Cool. Send us the name of your local park and 5 animals you saw there. You can email us or bring the activity to the library and earn 25 bonus points.
Very cool. That's a great way to celebrate Parks and Rec Month. We hope you guys had a lot of fun creating your own bird feeders. Make sure to check out all the activities in your kit or in your packet about animals in our homes and neighborhoods, including recommended books, definitions, reflection questions, and more. Thank you guys so much for joining us all summer long. We had so much fun with you guys. See you later.